guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Delicy. In today's video, I will be doing a holiday makeup tutorial. It's been such a long time. I haven't actually sit down and do a makeup tutorial, but today is the day. I'm super excited but nervous at the same time. If you guys are interested in how I achieve this look right here, please continue to watch. But before I get into this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back, family. With that being said, let's get into this tutorial. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off with my brows, but first I'm just gonna moisturize my lips with this. I'm gonna do one brows on camera and the other one off. I tried cleaning up my brows and I messed up this one so bad, but that's okay. I'm gonna fix that. I use my NYX spoolie, brush my brows up like so. So I'm gonna take my Anastasia pomade in dark brown. I'm gonna use that to fill in my brows. So normally I just take a little bit because a little bit goes a long way, and I play around with it on the cover. And I do like light strokes. Let me focus on my brows because I feel that I started off too heavy. So I'm gonna clean my brows using the Ruby Kisses concealer, and I have this for quite a long time. It hit pan bottom, as you can see, but I am still using it. Normally lift my brows up like so and it out. I'm using my Real Technique brush and I'm just gonna buff the concealer out. Now that I finished doing my brows, I am now gonna set my brows with the NYX brow glue. And then I'll take just the back of my concealer brush and just press that in. Just press it in. Honestly, I do not know what look I'm going for. Oh, child, not me. Let me close my pomade. Everything's just falling apart. Let me put this away. The Morphe 350 palette, and all those palettes I have quite a while. But I don't know, maybe I use the 35 Morphe 35D Desert because I feel that it has so much colors in here. So I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey, and I'm gonna apply that to my eyelids and use that as a eyeshadow base. And my same Real Technique brush I'm gonna use to just blend it all out. I'm gonna go in with Joshua Tree. I'm just packing that in my crease so I can build that up. So I cut my crease and I am gonna go in with I Give My Heart, this color, and apply it all over my eyelids. Let me find a brush that will pick up the color properly. So now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face, and I'm gonna use the NYX, the Marshmallow Primer. My face is breaking out so bad. So whatever. So for my foundation, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. What I like about this moisturizer is buildable as well. So lately, I've been using this from since summer, going into winter. So I'm gonna spray my face a little bit with the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe vera hub and rose water. So for my concealer, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. So every part of my face that I get oily, this is where I'm going to highlight. I honestly thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I'm just gonna go back in, guys, and tell you what I was using. To contour, I use NYX Wonder Stick in Deep Profound. Concealer is a little bit tacky. I'm just gonna take my Real Technique brush. Well, it's actually a setting brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. And this brush is so good. It blends out your concealers really good. So if you're looking for inexpensive makeup brush, Real Technique is actually a good brand. And you can find that at your local drugstore and Walmart as well. Blend out my contour using another Real Technique brush. In makeup, there's no rules when it comes to brushes. Whichever brush you feel comfortable with, just use it. So I'm now gonna set my face, and I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder. And I'm just gonna pat that right into my highlighted area. So under my eyes. My forehead gets very oily. I don't know why. I think the older you get, the more oily your skin becomes. Maybe that's why I'm breaking out so much, because I never had that problem before. And also I use my Airspun setting powder as well and go over that Maybelline Fit Me powder and set. I don't really bake. I normally set my under eyes because I don't like that raccoon hyper effect. But you do whatever you like. Personally, I do not like that white look under my eyes. I do not like it, so I do not go for that. So to go over that cream contour, I'm gonna go in with, where is it? I think it's the crayon case. Yes, the crayon case contour Cision notebook. I normally use my bronzer from Maybelline, but I can't find that. So the color I'm gonna be using is Bricky. This one right here, because that one is more of my complexion. Bobby is a little bit too dark. I could use it, but I find it's just really too dark. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. See? That is too dark for me. Way too dark. I don't know what's going on today, but my camera just keeps shutting off. It keeps telling me that it's overheating, and I never, ever had that problem before. They're asking me if I want to record in another setting, and I'm saying yes, and every time I look up, it's going off. Why? Child. It is so annoying. It's so annoying. So for my mascara, I'm using the Rimmel Lash Accelerator in, what color is that? Extreme Black. As much as I like this mascara, it really like lengthens my lashes, but it's also messy as well. And if you're not careful, because I don't know if you guys can see, I have little black dots on my eyes. I'm gonna make that dry. I'm gonna go in with my blush, and for my blush I'll be using Milani Chic Kiss, and it's a liquid blush, and it's 140 Rose Romance. So with this, I think I'm gonna put it on my hand because I don't want to overkill my face with blush, and it's a mess. The brush that I'll be using is the Real Technique blush brush. So I dab a little, and you can see it on the back of my hand, so it's more buildable for me. I really like this Milani liquid blush. Very pretty. I'm gonna add a little bit more. When it comes to liquid blush, as a beginner, that you apply it on the back of your hand. That way you can control how much you put. Because sometimes you just take it and put it on your face like that, and you put too much, and it's a disaster. Maybe I could put a little bit on my nose. I think I'm gonna line my eyes. And I like to use both eyeliner, the NYX Epic Ink liner, and also the Matte Style by Essence Super Lash eyeliner. So you guys, look, oozing out. Today is just not a good day to be doing my makeup. I don't know, but we're gonna pull through. It's not gonna stop me. The only thing I don't like about it, it don't dry as quick like it should. So I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then I go over the same liner with my Essence matte liner. Before I put my lashes on, I'm gonna wipe my lips. Guys, so now I'm gonna do my lashes. Just gonna reuse some lash that I have, and it's from Kiss. It's KLCLO2 from the Luxe Tension collection. Oh, it's Royal Silk. The glue I'm using is the Kiss glue as well. It's a mess. I'm gonna show you guys still. Make it get a little bit tacky. My lashes is on. I'm gonna put my other lash off camera and I'm going to be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. So we are at the last part. I know I said I was gonna do my lips first, but I left that part for last. I highlighted my face, if you can see here, with the crayon case. I used Trophy to highlight. I am now gonna line my lips and I'm using NYX matte lip liner in Cold Brew. I'm gonna go with this lip lacquer by e.l.f. and it's natural. And I'm just gonna use my hands and like kind of press it out. Well, more even it out a little bit. I'm just gonna go over with this clear lip gloss and just put a little bit. Alright guys, so we have reached the end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Even though I had so much hiccups along the way, it's been such a long time I haven't done a makeup tutorial and I was just all over the place, but I am really happy. I like how the look turned out. It looks really good. So before I leave, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also click that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys tomorrow. Bye.